Well, it is Saturday afternoon, and I am in the office. It's going to be a busy week for our law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. But I had a blog article on Friday regarding careless versus unsafe driving versus reckless driving in New Jersey. It's a common charge that we have here in our office. We don't do a lot of traffic, but we put a lot of information out regarding traffic because we understand that a lot of our clients do unfortunately have some traffic issues in New Jersey, and those who don't even live in New Jersey, who just live in Pennsylvania, who travel over to the state to use the mall or shop or whatever. But the important thing to understand is that the words may be used often interchangeably, and they're very, very different. With regards to reckless driving, it is a 4-point violation. Careless driving is a 2-point violation, and unsafe driving is a no-point violation. So frequently, people will receive tickets. So in some cases, you can receive a ticket for careless and reckless driving in addition to speeding. In other cases, perhaps you might just receive a careless driving ticket or perhaps just a reckless driving ticket. And people call us and ask, what they should do. And I often tell them that you have to understand that it's not just the actual ticket itself, it's the obviously insurance points. And that's the point of the article. So I'm going to link in here with the rest of the blogs that I have. Did another blog on aggravated assault versus simple assault. Last week, I believe that an NBA coach was charged with aggravated assault, and I kind of lay that case out and kind of what the difference is between an aggravated versus simple assault. The aggravated being a felony offense, whereas the simple assault being a misdemeanor in most jurisdictions. In addition, I did put out a blog article regarding the common crimes that we see during major events. I use the Eagles Parade as an example. We put our articles all the time because we believe that an educated client is the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. It is Saturday. It is the weekend. I understand that people will be traveling in and out of New Jersey, into Pennsylvania, out of Pennsylvania. I always give my DUI advice and my DWI advice. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood test or a breathalyzer test. It will not open up your criminal case. Remember that warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. In Pennsylvania, however, police in most cases need a search warrant. Now, if the officer is going to search the car, don't get in his or her way. Just make it clear that you're not giving consent to search the car. In addition, I did put out a blog regarding judicial versus administrative warrants. I know that people have been asking questions about these ICE raids and kind of what their rights are. This isn't a political statement to or against. It's simply just advising people the difference. The judicial warrants, meaning a warrant that needs probable cause and needs a judge to sign off on it, where an administrative warrant does not require probable cause. And there's been some news about what local officials can do. Really, they really can't stop a federal agent from coming into their state to arrest someone or take someone into custody. What they can do is judges can, obviously local state judges can refuse to issue warrants, but a federal judge obviously could. So there's not really much that state officials or local officials can do when it comes to federal agents coming into a jurisdiction to take people into custody for immigration purposes or really any purposes. So again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource. We're doing some work on our website. I look to be making some major changes in the next couple of weeks, trying to change things up a little bit, trying to keep our content, as always, up to date. The website needs a little work, so we are putting some things together and trying some things out, trying to upgrade our technology whenever we can, trying to increase our service offerings. Have received some fantastic reviews from clients lately, so we do appreciate those reviews. If you have questions, again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Finally, I'm going to link in the e-update, which went out on Friday, yesterday, to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It brings together our latest content and our most popular articles. So have a great Saturday. It is cold, but not that cold. It's a beautiful day, despite it being the end of February. Hopefully, we'll be through the winter very quickly and into spring. Very excited about spring. I don't miss the Saturday hockey tournaments and games, but we're having a little break from those, but hopefully spring we'll have an opportunity to get out to enjoy the weather a little more. But again, have a great Saturday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.